All right, home maintenance masonry and concrete. We're so thankful to be doing the job. Actually, we're this wall right here just been sitting here. This is bits and pieces that was kind of sitting on this side. What we're doing is we're going to take this completely out. We're going to relay it back with block to retain this embankment. We're going to do a buff color stucco with a texture on it to match that. Also, if you'll notice, see this big tree right here? This whole section right here is raised up almost 4 inches right here. And what we're doing is we're going to take out this whole area right through here, and it's going to go up that way. We're going to, instead of taking out the whole thing, we're taking out a section, and that's how we can help you, because most people won't do that. They want to sell you on the whole entire thing. Also, this crack, we're going to chisel this crack out, fill this crack in. There's another one that runs right through here. Also up here where it meets the public drain system, the public road, there's some areas right here we're going to fill in. Beautiful home. We're so thankful to be working today. This is all coming out. We've already started jackhammering it out. We're going to jackhammer it all out, get out of the way, drill deck and rebar, and re-pour it back. Right here, there's some cracks that we're also going to do too, which is right through here. You can see it's pretty major. And all this right here is trying to drop. See, that's why we're going to come in here and chisel all this out and fill these cracks in. That right there has already dropped a little bit, but what we're going to do is we're going to kind of taper that. And what happens is, just know this, that when you have any, see how that's dropped right there? You can see it. See right there? It's dropped. Anytime you have cracks, you need to move quick and call us to come out and help you, because these cracks will allow water to go in there now and create a problem, and things can drop. Now this right here is a big tree root. They love their tree. They don't want to get rid of their tree. So we're going to come in here and redo this. Sorry, I'm kind of out of breath. I've been just kind of working wide open this morning already, trying to get things going. You notice that we're about business. We're about helping people and getting things going. So anyway, this is the job. This is the beginning stages. We'll show you some more once we kind of get through. Thank you very much and goodbye. Alrighty, we're about halfway through the job. We've already started pouring the concrete. We've got our rebar. There's one right there. There's another one right there. There's another one right there. Another one right there. There's another one right there. We got rebar all in it. What we're getting ready to do now is pour the concrete. We cut the root out of the way, and boy, it was a mess. That's the whole area we're pouring right there. Okay. We've already started on the cracks. Here we are. All this is going to blend in. We've already done chiseled them all out. Let me just show you the retaining wall. Retaining wall is finished. All that right there has been stuccoed. See if you can see it real good. That's going to lighten up. It's going to go real good with the tan on the house. But that retaining wall is now built and stuccoed. We got all these cracks right here that we've already chiseled out. Every one of them. These cracks have appeared, and we've come in and we've cleaned them out. You can see how that area right there is done dropped. See it right there? It's done dropped. That's what happens if when you see cracks, if you don't do something with them, they will start to filter, the water start to infiltrate it, go in there and start creating a cavity in the hollow place, and it washes the dirt out, and all of a sudden things start dropping. But we can help you. There's the retaining wall. It's done. That up there is not finished yet. We're in the process of pouring it. Right now, Scott is putting his special touch to these cracks, and he knows what he's doing, and it's looking real, real good. Thank you, Scott. Doing a good job, buddy. Anyway, home maintenance masonry and concrete. We're so thankful for you watching our job, watching all of our jobs, and just knowing that we can help you and we want to come help you. Please give us a call, and we want to come and give you a free estimate. Thank you so much, and goodbye.